Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make a shop system in Scratch. First I'm going to make a list. For our sprite I'll call it prices, just the prices of all the things, and after prices there's names, so just names of all the things in the shop. So are the things we can buy. So we can buy this. I'll just make the things very basic. I'll just make them a bunch of purple circles. Wait, circles of. I'll just make them circles of different colors. So you can either buy this, or this green circle. Now I can add green to names, and add 10 to prices. Also, I'll add red to names and 4 to prices. Finally, I'll add purp to names and 26 to prices. And finally, the first thing I'll do is that I'll delete all of names, so that it will start afresh every time the flag is clicked. Oops, delete all of names and delete all of prices. The index of the element corresponds, so green is 10 prices, red is 4 prices, and purple is 26 prices. Now I'll allow you to choose the one you want to buy. When flag clicked, forever, if then, touching mouse pointer, and mouse down, ask how much, which refers to how much money you want to pay. I'll make a global variable called money, which is the current amount of money the user has. So I'll set this to like 80. Change money by money minus answer whoops, this is supposed to be set money to money minus answer. How much? 89. This is only going to work if the amount of money paid, if then the amount of money is greater than so it is the purple and item 3 of prices or money is equal to item 3 of prices I'll click on perp and I'll add 4. It doesn't work. I'll add like 70. Oops. I'll add 4. Whoops. I meant if it's supposed to be if answer, not if money. So this is 4, it doesn't work. I'll set this to 70 and it works. Anyways, I'll put this in the other ones. So I'll put it here. Oh yeah, let me also add one more condition. And one is greater than 0. So since red is item 2, I'll place this with item 2 of prices. I'll remove this, so we need to initialize money once. Since green is item 1, I'll set it to item 1 of prices. Also remove the initialization thingy. So alright, purple is 26, so it's 26. Let's see, green. Green is 10, so it's 5. It doesn't work. So it's 11. It works. Now alright, 43. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, Overcode. Bye.